So in this video, I'm going to continue on the battery cover. Just a recap if you didn't watch the previous video. I am moving a torpedo battery, or the main torpedo battery in the boat. I'm going to move that to the center of the boat so it sits on top of the keel. And in order to do that, I need to make a new cover for it because it sits a bit higher than the flat surface of the normal floor of the boat. And to keep weight down, I'm making it in carbon fiber. Imagine the companionway is up here. There's a bulkhead that this one's going to be against, and I made this little hump, so that's just going to compensate for the battery that's slightly higher. So this level out here, that's going to be the normal floor of the boat, or the seating area, and the battery is going to sit underneath the hump there. I'm going to continue with this project because now it's just an empty shell. It's a bit flimsy, and this is going to be a step, so I'm going to walk down there with my few 70 kilos and step here, and of course this one can't take that load, so it's going to be constructed as a sandwich construction. So first step, that is to cut out these pieces of foam so that I can shape it a bit so it sits nice and snug, so I don't have to use too much thickened epoxy just to make it fit. After that, we're going to do the second layer of carbon fiber on top of this, and then we should have a very strong structure. Okay, so the foam coring has now cured, attached to the first layer of the carbon fiber. So now it's time to put the internal layer of the carbon fiber on top. I pre-cut all my pieces here. So it's going to be 3 layers of 300 gram BX. I also got my peel ply and my breather cloth, and then I have the big vacuum bag that's ready over there. So everything is set to go. this is pretty awesome. It is solid as a rock, this one. Of course, this is untrimmed. It needs to be cut down to the proper size, but I'm really happy about the stiffness. I mean, this is not moving at all. Pretty good. And just to show the final product in its function. There is virtually no flex at all. I still need to do some kind of like a hinge mechanism or just some small locks to lock it in place, but anyway, I think it came out quite good. Of course, this is that's the nice side of everything, and that's just the raw inner. Weight came to about 690 grams. So spending $300 US in carbon fiber, few months in the basement saved me at least 300 grams over just making this in plywood. All kidding aside, it was quite fun to make. I think I really like making stuff in carbon fiber, and it goes with the boat with the rest of the carbon fiber parts here on board the boat. And it's good to learn new things instead of just making it in a boring piece of 12mm plywood. So as always, please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see here. It's for free, and you can always unsubscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.